This 310Q came in after a gear collapse on landing. I know, we hear that a lot around here at BAS. Despite the damage, we're gonna get lots of good stuff, including both IO 470 engines. One is prop struck and one is safe and sound. Beyond the Continental engines, we've got one good Macaulay prop and some serious avionics in this aircraft. It's got a Lynx NGT 9000, an S-Tech 3100 autopilot, a Garmin GMA 340 audio panel, and an Aspen EFD 1000. This aircraft also has a King KX 165 radio that never sits on the shelf very long. These parts are in high demand and most of them won't make it to the shelf. If you need 310 parts, call us now. This A36 Bonanza, well, it had to land on a highway. Now the pilot did a great job of dodging traffic, but not the road signs. That leads it here to the disassembly hangar at BAS Parts Sales, and Dave and the mechanics are already wrenching on this aircraft. We're reclaiming a prop struck Continental IO 550 engine and lots of Garmin equipment, a GTN 650, an Era 560 GPS, a GTX 327. We're also getting a couple of King radios, a KX 155 and a KR 87 ADF. This aircraft also has a PMA 450 Bluetooth audio panel, plus lots of other good avionics, the complete interior, lots of control surfaces, landing gear, wheels and brakes, all sorts of good stuff coming from this Bonanza. We don't expect these parts to last long. Get in touch soon. This Beech B24R Sierra had an engine out during a training flight, but the crew walked away safe and sound, and so did the engine. The IO 360's in excellent shape, and it is not prop struck, which makes it primo merchandise, and it will not sit here very long. The Hartzell prop is also untouched, and we're recovering a whole suite of avionics and the entire interior and lots of landing gear and lots of control surfaces. If you need Beechcraft Sierra parts, now's the time to call BAS. This Husky took a tumble in the snow, but it's still delivering where it counts. We're getting lots of good parts and components from this airplane that's built for the rugged and the wild. We've got an experimental but prop struck Lycoming 0320A engine, lots of good landing gear, including the Cleveland wheels and brakes, all the seats, interior control components, and a few rugged flight control surfaces that are all headed to new homes. If you need Husky parts, we've got them.